collect the rings, collect the rings, collect the rings.
What did you say about my collector rings? I press it.
No, don't. Wait, you just removed the sky. Oh, there it is.
You ended it? Like, what the
Huh? What?
Later.
For God's sakes, bro. I said I am the rarest tornado stand due to my design. Bro, for the last time, you are bented up, and there's many of you around the road, including Marilyn.
Hey,
You're absolute
that's
muscle.
mean.
Now, since you hurt
Bruh.
my face, then I will make your eardrums black. Yo, I don't think you're okay. Hey, before you go, I need to tell you something. Look at this picture of something cool. What is it?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey, it's not my fault. Wait, no. Okay, well, I guess that's done now. What should I do? Oh! I got a good idea. I'll show this photo to someone else since I stole it from him. Tell it to Allertor. Yes, show this photo to you. Do you like it?
What?
Yeah, haha. You're so. Whoa,
He said the N-word?
no, please, no, please don't. No,
I will say it no matter what.
no. Boo. Hey there, sir. You better like and subscribe before I show you this photo and make it become real life. Do it now!